Dear students, welcome to the new topic, the sales meetings. What is a meeting? Meeting is a face-to-face interaction between the sales staff and the management. Who is the management? Management is either the sales manager or the top manager. Why the meeting? It is to review, to motivate, or to exchange some kind of information which a salesperson may like to share with their superiors. It could be based on the competitor activities, it could be related to some distributor problems, it could be some service problems. So, whatever problems a salesperson encounters in the field can be shared by him with his company. Now, how do you stage a meeting? Now, there is a ACMEE. That's the small words for arranging a sales meeting. What does it mean? First is aim. What is the aim of the meeting? Or what do you mean by the aim is agenda of the meeting? Number two, content of the meeting. What is the content? Content would mean what information should a salesperson bring along with him or her? Third is the method. Method means how the meeting will be conducted. Will it be the two-way process? That means a salesperson also has to make a presentation, or only the top people will make a presentation and the salespeople will keep on hearing what they have to say. The fourth is execution. Execution would mean that all those documentations which are required for the meetings are collected by the salesperson before the person reaches the venue where the meeting is being held. Final E is known as evaluation. Now, what is evaluation? Evaluation would mean that the topics which has been asked by the salesperson to carry for discussion are evaluated on one-to-one basis. The problems of one area may be different from the problems experienced in the other area. Hence, the evaluation process will differ from territory to territory. There are normally four types of sales meetings. One is the national sales meeting, the regional sales meeting, the local level sales meeting, and the traveling sales meetings. What is a national sales meeting? The national sales meeting is held at a common place which is near the headquarters or at the capitals of the country, or even sometimes outside the country. Now, what is this national meeting? National meeting is where all the people from the different territories who are heading a particular territory are being called for the national meeting. The national meeting is normally chaired by the managing director or by the sales manager or by the director of sales, and will be covering the various aspects which are required to be handled on top priority. Second is the regional sales meeting. What is a regional sales meeting? Regional sales meeting would mean that there are four regions in the country, for example, north, east, west, south. So each region, for example, north, will have six or seven states: J&K, Himachal, Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Jaipur, the Rajasthan, or UP. So there would be five, six states. All these states heads, the all also called as regional heads, will be asked for a joint meeting. That regional head will conduct the meeting of its own regional sales staff. The third meeting happens to be the local sales meeting. The local sales meeting would mean those meetings which are held locally, in the sense that the local branch manager convenes a meeting of his sales staff. The third or the last, traveling sales meeting. Traveling sales meeting is when it is difficult for the the sales staff to visit the company headquarters. What normally the sales manager does, he travels to various territories of the salespeople and convenes a meeting there and then only. He speaks with the distributors, he speaks with the other customers of that territory, and will discuss the same issue with their salespeople. So, this is for today. That is the sales meeting. Rest we will talk tomorrow. Thank you.